G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Hang out with me today. We're heading to the Barstow car wash because for the first time in 2 years, both bill changes have gone down. So it happened about yesterday afternoon. So Sunday morning at 7:30 a.m. I'm heading on out there to fix them because I don't want the bill changes to not be working. That's the heartbeat of the car wash. Not the biggest deal because people can still put bills in the bays. They got their credit cards to use. They can still put coins if they bring quarters. The only thing is the vacuums. If people want to use the vacuums, then they need to switch out their dollar bills to the tokens because I don't have credit cards on my vacuums. But that's okay. I'm heading out there because I had nothing else to do today like every other day. But here we go, Barstow car wash. Alright, so let's go ahead and check. It's hard to see because of the sun, but that one is on and that one is on. So both bill changes are down right now, and that's why I'm here. But I'm glad I came because it's a little messy, a little trashy, which means hopefully it was busy yesterday. I'm sure it was. Trash bin's not that full, as long as all the hoses are up. No down hoses. Doing the quick sweep. Always finding money at the car wash. The car wash just keeps on giving. But let's go ahead and open up and hopefully there's no leaks inside. Going in. We're going in. Let's get some light on the agenda, huh? So quiet when there's no customers. The motors aren't running, compressor's not going. Wow, look at that. Bunch of motors laying around. There's the brand new motor we put in about 2 weeks ago. It's funny. All these motors are the original ones from when I got the car wash. These were already here and I'm using them and they're fine. That one, not this motor, but Bay 5. When I opened up the car wash 2 years ago, I put in a brand new motor right here. And it's dead, it messed up. You can see it was sparking and it was almost catching fire. So we had to turn it off. It kept shutting the breaker off. So I'm not sure if it was a faulty motor or what, but it didn't even last 2 years, while these ones I'm sure have lasted 10 years. So we put the new one on a couple of weeks ago. So far it's so good. And there we go. I think it's single phase here, so anyway. Checking the soap levels. High pressure soap, wax, soap, pre-soak tire cleaner. Pull down on the hydro minders, make sure they're all good. Good. And GOOD, it's full. What else we got going on over here? As we move on to the third room, hey, it's me. There's stuff laying around. It's all been here since I took this car wash over. I didn't even, spare float. I need this for the other car wash. There we go. It's always helpful. Put that there to remind me to take it. And have one more quick geeze in the other rooms. Make sure there's no one in here sleeping. Make sure compressors are good. And I'm glad this has a toilet here because I'm about to use it. It's going to be 106 here in Barstow today. It's only about 85 right now, so it's beautiful and warm, sunny, it's perfect, but it's going to get really hot. So 106 is like 41 degrees Celsius. So it's hot. But it looks like someone's been going through the T-rash bins. Someone dumped this. Okay. We got a Yard sale going on. Some shoes. There's plenty of room in the bin, but they're not in there. I'm not sure why. Hoses are getting a little dirty. I should switch them out soon and make them all look nice and new and refresh them. Keep the car wash looking fresh. Vending machine with my reflection. And everything looks good. No break-ins, all nozzles are there, all hoses are there. No jams. But of course, we'll still put some coins in and test it. Hey, little buddy. That's pretty cute. It's all right, I won't hurt you. I won't hurt you. And more trash there. So I guess first things first, we'll fix the bill changer. That's most important. And we'll give it a quick sweep. And then we'll test some bays and get on out of here. So 20 minutes, I should be done. So this bill changer, it's always a little, well, not always, just today, it's a little uncomfortable because it's not inside the motor room. It's right out there in public. So normally they're inside the motor room, you're private and all that kind of stuff. But this one's out in the public. Usually I have Edwin with me, so I feel a little more comfortable, a little more safe. He's not here, so I'm gonna have to watch my back. Let me get some protection first. Let's do this. Have a quick look. All right, no one's around. Good to go. Big, huge, heavy metal framing, which is great, which I really like. Take that off. All right, so this one will probably say bucket not open. So this one's weird because it takes 5s, it takes 1s, it takes 10s, or it used to, but now it says whenever you put a 10 in, it says bucket not open, and it takes the 10 and gives no change, and the machine stops working. So I put a sign here, 1s and 5s only, but people don't read it and they still put 10s in. Something to do with the bucket's not opening, obviously, but you know, we'll just push that button, reset it. And it's good again until someone puts a $10 note in, but I gotta do some more research on that. Unless anyone knows, they can comment on why the bucket isn't opening. And then this one's saying hopper's empty, which is a good thing. Oh, empty. Oh, it's all empty. Damn. Must be a busy week. Must have been a busy week. Well, that was full. So I reset this one. This is the bucket one. Test it, and it's good. It's got plenty of tokens because obviously it wasn't working, but that's now good. And now I got to collect some tokens and fill up the bill changer. Decent. We can do it. We can do it. I know it's Sunday morning. You don't want to work. Can't do it with one hand. Heavy. Got all the cash. 2 stacks. Pretty standard, a little hot right now, but I'll take it. And we're still counting all the tokes and quarts. And now it's that time. It's time to sweep the trash. Time to sweep the rubbish. Might be my size. Cool, I got a free pair of sneakers. Pop that straight in there. All right, that's good. I'm out of here. Super exciting stuff. I'm emptying trash. Really exciting stuff. It's really made for YouTube. If anyone can make emptying trash look cool and fun, I hope I'm the guy to do it. I'm trying. And it's clean. Bins are empty. All the rubbish is gone. A little bit of a different view than when we pulled in, huh? Bays are nice and clean. Had a few customers come through. Soap works. Almost done. Full and back in business. And of course you want to test it, because when it's empty, you got to refill the bucket. So you got to put a 5 in, a 10 in, and you'll only get like 1 or 2 because it's refilling up the buckets. But I already did that. I didn't film it. Works. All right, let's go ahead and quickly test everything while we're here. Scrub a dub dub. Tire cleaner in the tub. Put a little more on. TC is good. Pre-soak. How's the pre-soak looking? Pre-soak is good. Pre-soak is good. Alrighty, it's enough pre-soak. Customers love it. Or dirt remover, whatever you want to call it. High pressure soap. There's my Barstow sirens. Let's guess, ambulance, fire truck? I say ambulance. Hey! Car washes do good. Where their sirens. What? No soap? Well, that's not enough soap. Oh. That's enough soap. It took a little too long to come out. Might have to starve it. Soap brush. And there it is. Few seconds. Because it's so hot, I have it a little more runny, but that might be too runny. But when it's on the car, let's see. Yeah, that's good. When it's 100 degrees, it just dries so quickly, but I don't want it to dry too thick on the car. Rinse. Go ahead and clear the line of soap. Let's try the wax. Hopefully we have wax. There's the wax. There's the wax. That's pretty waxy. Wax on, wax off, spot free. It's kind of weak here. Still waxing the lines, but that's the pressure of the spot free. Like I said, it's probably like 90 or 100. I'd like it to be at least 150 or like almost 200. but it'll do. Got to buy a new pump for that, and then we've got the air dryers. Sounds good. So I'm just going to rinse it off and then GTFO. Well, there we go, mission accomplished. Build changes are full, cleaned up, tidy, everything's good. We are out of here because it's too hot and we've got to beat the Sunday traffic back heading from Vegas down the 15. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all next time.